Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be doing my unboxing of the Google Pixel 4 XL. This here is the case that it came with, so I'll be showing that as well. Now, first of all, I want to give a huge thanks to Google and Team Pixel for sending this phone out. So let's go ahead and get right in with this unboxing. So you'll see here, of course, is the box, all the patterns around it. Google on this side here will show us the Pixel 4 XL. Let's go ahead and remove the top off of this box. You'll see this one here is the white variant. Let's go ahead and take the phone here out. We'll put it over here on this box and see just what and all does come in the box. So in here, we got a little sleeve that shows your SIM removal tool there. We have your user guide as well as some safety guides, stuff of that nature. Put that to the side. And here we have what looks to be your 18-watt charging brick. And yes, it is. Go ahead and pop it out of there. So 18-watt charging on this phone here, which is really nice. You also have your USB-C to USB-C cable, which is also really nice. Data transfer and all that kind of cool stuff in here. You got a little adapter, which is also USB-C to USB-A. So yeah, that's all that comes into the box. Let's put all this away and look at the phone. Okay, so phone is now in hand. Let's go ahead and remove all this plastic, just like that. Now looking at this phone here, it looks really nice. I love how the white back here with the black along the edges makes it stand out with the little orange power button there. The also orange color was also a really nice color, but after looking at this, the white on the back with the black camera set up there with all this black around here, it just looks really sharp. And I like the way this phone looks overall. Volume rocker over here with your power button. On top of your secondary microphone. On the left is just your SIM tray there. On the bottom is your microphone speakers and your USB Type-C. And up top up here, of course, is got a lot of stuff that I won't get in with this video here. It's just an unboxing and a first look. A receiver, front-facing camera, all that kind of cool stuff. Go ahead and power the phone on. Got your Google there. So I'll go ahead and get it all set up, and we'll take a quick look at the phone. Okay, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Turn the phone around. The screen is already lit up. You can swipe up here to put in your PIN or just look at it and it unlocks right away. Now the phone looks and feels so far very nice. I did go ahead and turn on dark theme. I just like dark theme on these phones. And it basically comes with no bloatware whatsoever. Basic stock Android, and the phone feels snappy with the A55 processor, 6GB of RAM. You can get it in 64 and 128GB versions, and the phone just feels nice and smooth, very fluid. And I know someone's going to be saying, man, that's a gigantic bezel up top. Well, that don't really bother me in the least. I could care less. There's a lot going on up top here anyway with all the sensors and the radars and stuff of that nature that I'll hit into in a later video. But I'm really interested in trying this phone out, testing the cameras out, of course, playing a lot of games, using it as a daily, trying out battery life, and just seeing how this phone's going to, work overall. I'm expecting some really good, pictures and videos out of this camera set up here along with the front-facing camera. So, of course, I will have photo samples, video samples on Instagram, Twitter. If you ain't following me, check out the description below, and I'll have the links there where you can follow me. But yeah, just my first initial thoughts is the phone looks nice. It looks sweet. Let's go ahead and look at the case here that comes with this one here. And you'll see that the case looks really nice. Got the orange accents here to Google and the power button here. We'll go ahead and try the case on. The phone here, yeah, looks really nice. It really suits it off very well. Camera's inset here with the case, so no chance of it scratching or when you drop it or anything like that. The button looks good, the Google logo and all looks good. So overall, a really nice feeling case that comes along with it. So we'll go ahead and just remove this case for the time being. But so far, yes, very nice looking device. Very impressed with it so far. Of course, I gotta install all my games, all my apps, and just really put this phone through its paces. So that's just my quick unboxing and first impressions there of the Pixel 4 XL. Again, thanks to Google and Team Pixel for sending this out, and I'm really looking forward to putting this phone through its paces. So if this was helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Also hit that bell for notifications for more videos on the Pixel 4 XL, some comparisons, picture test, all that kind of good stuff coming up soon, and I'd really appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.